Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Saival and Saivli. Today we are diving into the executing world of image and multimedia in HTML. Whether you are building a website or just want to ensure your web development skill, in this video is for you. Let's start. Today's topic is image and multimedia. Let's kick things off for adding image to your web pages. The HTML tag for image is the image tag. It's super simple. Here is the basic example. The src attribute is where you specify the path of your image file, and lt attribute is crucial for accessibility. It provides a text attentive for screen readers and display the image falls to loading. Now next is image attribute, where you can discuss the image size. Here is the width, height, and title. Width and height attribute allow you to set the dimension of your image. Next is audio and video. HTML makes it easy with the audio tag and video tag. The audio tag allows you to embed sound files. The controls attribute adds play, pause, and volume control for the user. Inside you can use the source tag, specify the audio file and its type. That's it for today's video on image and multimedia in HTML. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to more web development tips. And do not forget to hit that notification bell so you can never miss an update. Thank you for watching and happy coding. See you next video.